Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a impeccable townhouse for sale. It is situated in the exclusive gated community of Arica Palm Estate, a new residential development in the beautiful town of Mandeville. This home was built in 2024 and is conveniently located across from upscale dining and shopping areas. Easy access to the Winston Jones Highway, Manchester Golf Club, major shopping malls, hospitals, and the financial district of Mandeville. Located 10 minutes from Northern Caribbean University, consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and powder room, inclusive of a master bedroom suite with balcony, modern kitchen and bathroom design. You can enjoy a refreshing dip in the pristine, sparkling pool, perfect for relaxing and entertainment. The well equipped gym provides a convenient and motivating space for you and your family with modern equipment and a comfortable environment, perfect for maintaining your fitness routine. The beautifully landscaped garden area offers a tranquil retreat with lush greenery, an ideal spot for unwinding or enjoying family time. This home harmonizes elegance with modern comfort, offering the epitome of luxury living. Call now to schedule your appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.